Today on Flavors and Knowledge, Grains Top 5. Welcome back, dear friends. Welcome back to another episode of Flavors and Knowledge. Exploring the world of grains has an endless quest for convincing the skeptical. And as you know, grains have been essential to the human diet for thousands of years, providing vital nutrients and sustenance to diverse cultures worldwide. From rice paddies in Asia to wheat fields in the Middle East, grains come in many varieties, each with unique flavors, textures, and nutritional values. Let's examine the world of grains, concentrating on the 5 most widely consumed, their origin, nutritional benefits, and ways to incorporate them into your daily diet. We begin with rice, a staple food that most of the world's population widely consumes. It's grown extensively in China, India, Indonesia, and Bangladesh. Rice is a versatile grain that provides a good source of carbs, essential for providing energy to the body. Brown rice, in particular, is exceptionally nutritious and contains high level of healthy fibers, vitamins, and minerals such as manganese and selenium. Additionally, it's an excellent choice for those who have a gluten sensitivities since it is gluten-free. When preparing rice, except the Italian superfines known as risotti, it's important to rinse it thoroughly under cold water until it becomes clear to eliminate any excess starch. The amount of water to rice ratio depends primarily on the type of rice you are cooking, and for white rice, it's usually 2 to 1, while for brown rice, it's around 2.3. And once you've added the right amount of water or vegetable broth of choice, cook the rice in a thick bottom saucepan with a lid on it and heat until all the water has been fully absorbed. This procedure will help to ensure that the rice is cooked evenly and it has a fluffy texture. We move on to the quinoa, second on the list. Hailing from the Andean region of South America, quinoa is a highly nutritious grain cultivated for thousands of years. Countries like Peru and Bolivia are well known for significantly producing this wonder grain. Quinoa is an entirely natural protein source, containing all the 9 essential and required amino acids our body needs. It is also an excellent source of fiber, magnesium, iron, and several antioxidants, making it a favorite superfood for health enthusiasts. Additionally, quinoa is gluten-free and suitable for individuals with gluten intolerance. And when preparing quinoa, it is important to rinse it under cold water to remove its natural coating, which can taste a little bitter. The ratio of water or broth to quinoa should be 2.1. Boil the water or the broth, add the quinoa, cover, and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until the water is absorbed, and enjoy the fantastic benefits of this ancient grain. The various condiments are entirely up to you. Let's move into wheat, third in our list. An ancient and widely cultivated grain from the Fertile Crescents in today's geographical Middle East. Today's major wheat-producing countries include China, India, Russia, and the United States. This versatile grain is a powerhouse on nutrition, providing a significant source of carbs, protein, fiber, magnesium, and iron. Whole wheat products are a better choice, as they retain more of the grain's nutrients compared to refined wheat products that you see just about everywhere. Wheat can be consumed in several forms, including all wheat flour, bulgur, and couscous. Bulgur, a popular staple in Middle Eastern cuisine, is a quick cooking grain made from cracked wheat kernels. And to prepare bulgur, boil the water or broth and pour over the grain in a bowl. Cover and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes until the water is absorbed. Fluff with a fork before serving. Wheat is an excellent choice for a healthy and satisfying meal, whether you are making bread pasta or a hearty salad. Let's move on to millet, a type of grain that has been cultivated for thousands of years. It is believed to have originated in Africa and Asia, widely consumed in many African and Asian countries such as Nigeria, India, and China. Millet is a gluten-free grain that is known for its numerous health benefits. Millet is a rich source of many vitamins, including phosphorus and manganese. These nutrients are necessary for maintaining good health and reducing the risk of chronic and deadly diseases. Millet is also easily digestible, making it an excellent choice for people with diabetes or for those who want to maintain stable blood sugar levels. To prepare millet, follow the instruction on the package or cook it similarly to rice. Rinse it thoroughly under cold water and cook it with a ratio of 2 to 1 water to millet. Once it reaches a boiling stage, reduce the heat to a comfortable simmer and cover the pot with the appropriate cover, of course. Allow it to cook on low to medium for about 20-25 minutes or until all the water has been absorbed and the grain is fluffy and tender. Another grain of importance is barley, highly nutritious ancient grain cultivated for thousands of years and dates back to the Mesopotamian and Egypt. It is now grown in various countries worldwide, including Russia, Canada, Germany, and of course here in the US. This nutritious grain is an excellent source of fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which has been shown in scientific research to lower cholesterol and to promote heart health. Barley is also a rich source of vital vitamins, healthy minerals, and antioxidants, which are essential for good health, of course. The most common form of barley is the one called pearl barley, which is easy to prepare. And you can begin by boiling the water, adding the barley, and then simmer for approximately 25 to 30 minutes until tender. Additionally, pearl barley can add texture and unique flavors to various creative dishes, such as soups, porridges, stews, salads, and of course pilafs. And whether eaten alone or as a part of a larger dish, barley is very versatile and nutritious that belongs in any of your healthy diet choices. And my final thoughts, dear listener, I can just tell you that grain provides a wide range of nutritional benefits and culinary options. Adding a variety of healthy grains to your diet allows you to experience their distinctive taste, texture, and health advantages. Whether it's Asian rice, South American quinoa, or Middle Eastern barley, grains will offer diverse flavors and nutrients that will enrich your meals and will contribute to a well-balanced diet. And that does it for today's episode on 5 top grains. It is, of course, a subjective list, grains that I've used in my kitchen for years, and I continue to do so. I hope you find this segment of importance. I'll check back with you on the next episode with something even more interesting. If you're in the kitchen today or tonight, always keep an eye on the fire and follow us on the various social network channels. Take care. Ciao, ciao.
Flavors and Knowledge is brought to you by Chef Welch's Cooking School in Cranston, Rhode Island. For classes, workshops, events, and programs, please visit our website at chefwalterscookingschool.com. For all other services offered by Chef Walter's Food Group, check out our main website, chefwalter.com.